Here I have OnePlus Nord CE3, and today I'm going to show you how to enable TalkBack feature on this device. So to do this, firstly you should open settings, then you should go to the additional settings and then go to the accessibility, then switch to vision and go to the TalkBack. So here you can enable TalkBack, and after that its tutorial starts immediately.
Now disabled. Welcome to TalkBack. Welcome to TalkBack, page 1 of 5. TalkBack is a screen reader intended for situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen. It gives you spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. You can turn TalkBack on or off by holding both volume keys for several seconds. When TalkBack is on, the focused item on the screen is spoken out loud. Swiping right will move to the next item, and swiping left will move to the previous item. Swipe right now to find the next button. 1025. Gestures for certain features are now disabled.
Okay, so as you could hear, this mode is made mostly for people with blindness or some other vision problems, and it works the way that it speaks out loud contents on your screen. So for example, I tap here close.
Close button. Double tap to activate.
And this action gets outspoken loud. And as you also could hear, to perform any action in this mode, you have to double tap on the screen to confirm it. So firstly you have to select any action you want to perform, and then you double tap anywhere on the screen like this, like close, double tap. If you want to disable TalkBack, tap here, double tap, stop, please. And that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.